Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Surya Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar, your computer teacher. Today we will discuss lesson 6 conditional control statement exercise. Fill in the blanks. Question number first. A dash has a unique name, a type and a size which is used to identify in it a program. You fill variables. Here given the hint, through hint you can easily to write, fill in the blanks. So first question, a variable has a unique name, a types and a size which is used to identify its program. Second question, a string variable contains values dash and dash within double quotation. A string variable contains values, symbol or text within double quotation. String variable contains two values, symbols or text. Question number third. If then statement is used for making dash as well as dash. If then else statement is used for making decision as well as comparison. You fill decision and second one comparison. If then statement is used for making decision as well as comparison. Question number 4. If the condition specified after if is true, if the condition specified after if is true, then the instruction after dash is executed. Then statement means if the condition of the if statement is true, then statement executed. If statement is false, then else statement executed. So here condition is if true, so then statement executed. Question number 5. Dash is a conditional decision making statement. If then else. If then else is conditional decision making statement. You fill if then else. Question number 6. Dash statement helps to control the flow of a program. Control statement helps to control the flow of program. So you fill control. State true or false. Question number first. Constants can change their value during the execution of program. Constants can change their value during the execution of program. This statement is false because constant is fixed and they cannot change their value during the execution. So here this is false because constants can change the value during the execution of program. So the statement is false. Question number 2. Numeric variable can hold only numbers. This statement is also false. Numeric variable can hold only numbers. This statement is false because numeric variable can hold numbers, symbols. So this statement is false. Question number 3. The condition in if then else statement is given by the logical operators. Yes. If the condition is in if then else statement given the logical operators, yes, because if when you provide give if statement, then you give a logical operator. If a greater than or less than 10, then statements follow, otherwise else statement follows. So then you give a logical operator. So this statement is true. Question number 4. Go-to statement transfer the program control from one statement to another. Go-to statement transfer the program control from one statement to another. Yes, true. Go-to statement is used to transfer program from one statement to another. So this statement is true. Question number 5. In read data statement, the data is provided in program at the time of execution. This statement is false because read data statement provide data before the execution. So this statement is false. Application based questions. Question number first. Vishal had created a program in QB64. He wants that the output of the program should be displayed with true and false condition. Suggest him to appropriate syntax. Means Vishal had created a program in QB64. He wants to output of the program should display true and false condition. Either true or either false. Suggest him to the appropriate statement. Appropriate statement, if, then give the condition is true, then statement, otherwise else statement. Suppose that here you can use it to understand if given condition a equal to 10, then statement true, otherwise else statement false. And when give a number a equal to 10, then so statement is true. If you give number 8 or 11, then statement so false. So this statement. Question number 2. Smriti wants to give output of a program in infinity loop. Which statement will you suggest to her to use? Infinity loop, go to, then instruction. Go to and instruction. This statement use. Multiple choice questions. Question number first. Dash sign is used to represent an alphabet in a string. Dash is a sign used to represent an alphabet in a string. Statement A plus B $sign C question mark. Correct option B $sign. $sign is used to represent an alphabet in a string. Question number 2. Dash statement is used for making decision based on comparison. Option print, option B input, option C if then. Correct option C if then. If then statement is used for making decision based on comparison. Question number 4. If then else statement, if the condition is false, then dash statement is proceed. Option A option B if, option C then. Correct option A else. If then else statement, if condition is false, then else statement is proceed. Question number 5. Dash statement is used to transfer program control from one statement to another. Option A print, option B if then, option C go to. The correct option C go to. Go to statement is used to transfer program control from one statement to another statement. So go to option is correct. Question number 6. Dash statement is used when we want more choices if then else statement. Option if A else if, option B go to, option C if then else. Correct option A else if. Else if statement is used when we want more choice in if then statement. Else if statement is the correct option. Hopefully all students understand multiple choice question, fill in the blanks, true, false and application based question. Each and every students write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.